Hey guys, it's your girl Carrie. Welcome back to my channel. Ever since I first found out about this new product launch from Modelones, I have been stalking my mailbox waiting to get my hands on this. It's just one of the cutest darn nail things I have ever seen in my life. So today we're going to be talking about the new Modelones Color Cubes vinyl records. I'm going to unbox this with you. I'm going to give you all the details, and then we'll actually use this particular palette to put together a cooler weather inspired mani. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then stick around. We're getting into it. And here comes the disclaimer. So Modelones did send this product to me to test out for you guys. But like I said, the enthusiasm, that was all 100% me. Honestly, I probably might buy one more anyway, just because I think they're so darn cute. So I just want you guys to know that whether a company sends me product or I purchase it myself, you're always going to get my full and honest opinion. So you can expect nothing less today. Fair warning, as a child who grew up listening to records, this product totally sent me on a trip down memory lane, so this video may get a little chatty, so you've been warned. All right, let's go ahead and get into the product details. So this is currently available on Modelones and Amazon's website. There are, I believe, 8 different color options. So I'm going to put some of those up on the screen so you can see. There are definitely a couple of other options that I have my eye on myself, especially that mauve one. I think it looks really pretty, and the neutrals one as well. But I did want to mention that right now they are showing to retail for $39.99 on Amazon with a $27 off coupon, which brings them down to around $13. So I don't know how long that deal is going to last, but if you're interested in this at all, I would get on that because that's a pretty dang good deal, and I don't know how long that one's going to be around. But before we consider that, let's get into my first impression. So let us go ahead and open this up and take a look at everything inside. So this is going to slide out similar to a record sleeve, and inside you're going to get, of course, the instruction booklet, and then you've got your little record set here. You see what I mean, guys? This is like too freaking cute for words. They really went all out on this packaging, and I am so here for it. It's really cute. It's very similar to a makeup palette, just more in vinyl record form, and it's pretty thin, so you actually get a lot of product in a small space, so it's good for storage. So you're going to get the instruction booklet that comes with all the details on how to apply this product, as well as some tips and removal instructions. So always really nice that they include this with their cream gels. You're also going to get this little brush with it. If you purchase any of the other regular color cubes and 9-pans, it's a very similar brush to this, just slightly different design on the outside, like the coloring, but otherwise it's pretty much the same type of brush. So you kind of take it out of its case and you snap it together, and it's a rounded tip, so that makes it pretty easy to get a nice clean cuticle area. So I really do enjoy these brushes they include with it. I think they're pretty good quality. And now my favorite part, let's actually take a look at the record itself. So like I said, they really pack a lot of product into this really thin packaging, which, you know, if you consider buying 21 different gels and storing them, imagine how much more space that's going to take up than this thin little record. So I just think it's so cute, and even the outer packaging has kind of that like vinyl texture to it. Like I said, I think they really went out on this packaging, and I am just so in love with it. It's just way too dang cute. So the variation I chose is called Cozy Wonder. I just thought it had a nice mixture of neutrals as well as some deeper colors and more like cooler weather friendly colors. So I thought it was a pretty mix, and this is going to be similar to your other cream gel palettes, where on the back they have kind of the colors in pictorial form there on the back that matches what's actually inside the palette. So this is a magnetic closure, and then once you open it up and you first receive your package, you're going to have this nice sticker cover on it. And then on the top, they did something special with these. They've got a little QR code that you can scan with either your camera or your QR reader, and it takes you to TikTok, and it has a song that coordinates with each colorway. So each colorway has a different song. What a cute touch. And I don't have a TikTok account, and they had told me that you didn't need one to play the song, but it might have just been my phone, but mine kept taking me to downloading the app. I was like, no, I'm still not there. I'm not I don't know if I'll ever be ready for TikTok, guys, but definitely not right now. So I used my daughter's phone, so I'm going to insert some footage here because she does have a TikTok account. So I'm going to insert some footage here so you can actually hear the song that goes with this particular colorway. Interrupting the regularly scheduled video because I wanted to show you that you can actually scan this in your QR reader and this will open up a song. So it says go to your TikTok account and scan it to listen. So I don't have TikTok, you guys. I've told you I don't have any immediate plans. I hate to say the word never, but probably that's accurate. But I did want to at least show you, for those of you that had the account, there is a song with each different variation of these cute little records. So if you want to actually, you know, upload a video to your TikTok account, you can actually scan this and get to the music and use that for your video. Or if you just want to listen to it and enjoy it, I think it's really cute. So I'm going to play it for you on my daughter's phone really quick because my daughter has a TikTok account, so at least you can hear this one. And sorry for the sound quality. It is what it is, guys. Go for it. And my daughter likes it. She's over here dancing, so. You get video? Nobody wants to see that. Yeah, they do. Anyway, you guys, I think you get the picture. So like I said, if you have a TikTok account, you know, and you get one of these records, then you should definitely go check out the song that goes with the record. So you get the idea. I mean, each palette is going to have a different song attached to it. So I think that's just a really cute touch and goes along with that whole musical theme. So we're going to go ahead and take this sticker off. I'm going to show you what's inside Cozy Wonder. Can anyone guess why I picked this particular color option? I bet you can. I bet it has to do with that fourth row. We're just going to call this my blue period because I know I have been doing a lot of blue manis lately, but I promise my next few videos are not going to be blue, so just bear with me. So you're getting 21 different colors in here, and Model 1 states that you can get 50 manis out of these. And I believe it because most of these you can get like 1 to 2 manis, like a full 1 color mani out of. Of course, it's going to depend on whether you're using it with other colors or by itself, how many layers you're doing. But I believe that you could probably get over 50 manis with this, which, you know, considering if you can get it for 13 bucks right now, that's a pretty dang good steal. So you're getting a nice mix in here of creams and shimmers and glitters. So I'm going to actually use mostly creams, but I will use one of the shimmers as well today so you can get a feel for that one. So I did want to quickly show you comparison between the new vinyl record and the original 9-pan color cubes. You can see that the vinyl record's probably about twice the size overall, and the pans are a little bit smaller, not by much, but they are a little bit smaller, so you're getting a little bit less product of each individual color. But again, considering you're getting 21 different color options versus 9 color options, you know, I think that makes up for it. But you know, I have to say the packaging is super cute, but I love that it's not huge as well, like a really big record. That would have been fun, but not so ideal for storage, so I really like the size of this one. All right, so we're going to be playing around with that fourth row. We're going to do a little mix of the blues and grays in here. And like I said, I will work in a shimmer so you can see that formula as well. But I'm definitely going to be sharing with you some funny memories about my own personal experiences with records along the way, because like I said, this product totally took me on a trip down memory lane. And just to let you know, I will be using their gel base and gel top coat. I have said that this is a really great affordable option for a gel base and top coat, and I stand by that. I really do enjoy these, and I hadn't used these in a minute and I forgot already how much I loved them. They are fantastic. So I will tell you what it is I like about them as we go along, but I would definitely be using the base and top coat as well today. So I'm just starting with a layer of the base coat on all of my nails, and what I like about this is that this combo with the base coat and the top coat is perfection, because the base coat is actually on the thinner side, so you're getting a nice thin application. You're not adding a lot of bulk, but then the top coat is a little bit on the thicker side, which kind of helps, you know, cover any of the imperfections or any kind of like uneven areas you may have. So you have the thinness where you want it, but you have the thickness where you need it. It's just, I don't know, it's really an ideal combo. I usually you get, you know, all thin with a base and top, or you get all thick with the base and top. So to have that nice mix with a thin base and a slightly thicker top coat, I think it's just a really great user-friendly combo. All right, so I'm taking a little bit of the base coat and putting it here on this little silicone palette that I've been testing out, because one of the things that I like to do when I'm applying this gel is add a little bit of dampness of base coat to the brush, just to kind of help that cream gel go on really smoothly. Now, it doesn't take much. You don't need to overly saturate your brush, but just a little bit just kind of helps it go on a little bit more smoothly and without streaks. You can see I pulled my UV lamp into frame here a little bit closer. I know I'm not always the best about showing my curing process when I'm doing gel manis. I need to work on that. I think I need to get myself a smaller lamp just to use on camera. But in any case, I'm just going to go ahead and dampen my brush here with a little bit of base coat, and I'm going to start with this blue here. So right off the bat, I am blown away because this is that perfect Model 1's cream gel texture. It's really buttery, it's really smooth. It doesn't take a lot of effort to self level, but at the same time, it really stays where you put it, so it's not flooding your cuticles, it's not flooding your sidewalls. It's just a very beginner friendly product, and one that I really enjoy working with because I know I'm going to get nice clean lines and not a lot of effort. Now I gotta tell you, I have used quite a few of the color cubes and I have quite a few more that I haven't used on camera. But suffice it to say, I have a lot of these that I've purchased myself because I really do enjoy this formula and I really do enjoy this compact product. I think it's just really great for storage and I just really like the product inside and I like the different color options that they give. And I feel like the price is such a steal. So, I have all those because I really do enjoy them. So, if you didn't catch my original first time I tried Model 1's Color Cubes video, I will link that one for you in the cards. But those I purchased. So, the first time I tried those, I purchased them. So, you're getting my full and honest opinions. And that's the reason why I've gone back to purchase several more. I just really do enjoy this formula. And if you're somebody who's been, struggling with, say, the streaking, I would say just try adding a little bit of that base coat to your brush and that should solve that because I haven't had any issues since I started doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and spoil it and say that all the colors I used today were on par with what I usually expect from the brand in terms of their solid gels. Very easy to apply, very opaque. All of them were opaque in 2 layers. Some of them I probably could have even gotten away with 1 layer. So very impressed overall. By the way, if you didn't notice, I'm closing the color cube up, the vinyl record up every time I cure. You don't want to leave this obviously sitting in front of your lamp when you're curing because then it will just cure this gel into the pans. You don't want that. So this has a really nice closure on it. So as long as you close it, your gel should be protected. Or you can obviously not have your lamp as close to your gel like I do, but I was just trying to fit everything on camera. But anyway. So when they first sent me the promotional materials for this product and asked if I wanted to try it, I was like, yeah, right now, please. Because I just, I'm not telling you guys that packages everything to me and that I'll just buy something for packaging because I definitely won't. I have to love the product too. But when I have such a cute package like this and like such a cute concept, I am totally excited. That just really piques my interest. And I just felt like this was such a cool idea. And not just for the nostalgia factor, but also because like this would make an amazing Christmas present or birthday present. It would just be such a cute thing to give to somebody. So, the packaging is definitely not everything, but did it definitely influence my want to try this? 100%, 100%. So this little vinyl record concept totally sent me into a memory lane like bonanza. Like one memory led to another memory led to another memory. And I'm, kind of surprised that I can remember that far back because I was a very young kid. But like I said, this product just brought all those memories flooding back. I'm interrupting that thought just momentarily because I wanted to show you that I started to apply this glitter on its own because I thought the base was going to be a little bit more opaque, but this definitely is a clear base with the shimmer. So I knew right away that I wanted to put a solid color down first before putting this over top because I didn't want a sheer look. But if you wanted a sheer look, obviously you don't have to do that. But anyway, that's what I started to put the glitter on. I was like, no, I'm going to need some opacity behind it. So I stopped and added this kind of mid-tone gray on there just so you're aware of what I'm doing. Anyway, one of the first things I remember having as a little kid was a little record player, and I couldn't even remember the brand at first, but I could see it in my head. So I started Googling like vintage record players, and I found it. So I'm gonna put a picture of it up for you. It was actually a little Fisher Price record player, and I just, as soon as I saw it and like remembered it, all these other memories came flooding back. It was kind of fun. I was kind of giggling to myself, and I was talking to some of my coworkers who are in my age group. Which, yes, I'm in my early 40s. Let's just get that out of the way. So that's why I know what a record player is. I know some of you guys are a lot younger than me and don't know, so you're about to find out. So I just remember being in my room and playing records over and over again. And the one I know for sure was probably the first one I had was Olivia Newton-John's Let's Get Physical, which these were, I think they're 7-inch records. So you only get one song on each side. So like one record would have one song on one side and another song on the other side. And, as a little kid, you don't think about things like that, right? And the music video, I remember, was all about like working out and exercising. So in my head, I'm thinking I'm like dancing and singing to a song that has to do with working out. Little did I know that that song is not about working out, at least not that kind of working out. It's probably about what you think it's about. And the lyrics, I'm like, oh my gosh, as an adult, how could my mother let me listen to that? Like, I guess my mother didn't know the lyrics to that either. So I'm looking back at it as an adult, like, wow, that was a pretty racy song for a little kid to be listening to. But yeah, at the time, I was very innocent and thought it was all about working out. So that's my story and I'm sticking to it. Interrupting that thought to tell you that I'm working on the second layer now, and I went from pinky back to pointer for some reason. But yeah, 2 layers was all I ended up doing on all these fingers, with the exception of the glitter. I did that one base layer of the medium gray and then the 2 layers of the glitter. So the other song I remember listening to a lot was Let's Hear It for the Boy. And, I thought it was a catchy song, just a fun song to sing. And as an adult, I still think it's catchy. I still think it's a cute song. But if you really stop to think about the lyrics as an adult, it's basically like she's singing about a guy who's kind of a loser, like doesn't have a lot of redeeming qualities. She's like, but I love him anyway, so let's cheer for him. And it's like, huh, okay. Like, can't we have a little bit of standards for ourselves? Can't we like actually find somebody who has some redeeming qualities and love him instead? But all right, honey, I guess if that's what we're doing. You guys ever do that? You guys ever think about some of the songs that you have enjoyed in the past and then you kind of woke up and really listened to the lyrics and thought about it and changed your mind? Because I've done that quite a few times in my life. I just think, as you get older, as you become more of an adult, it's like the things that you thought were cool, like it just doesn't jive anymore. Anyway, if you're old enough to have remembered record players as a kid or at some point in your life, then I would love to know what the first record you really got into was. It would just be fun for me to have a little giggle because it's probably some of the stuff I had too. And if I song bombed you with Let's Hear It for the Boy, well, I can relate because now it's stuck in my head again too. So share my pain with me. All right, so here's what we're left with after 2 layers of all the colors, except for, like I said, just that one base layer of the darker gray on the glitter finger and then 2 layers of glitter. But, that really just gave it what it needed. I think just give it a little opacity, and I love the color combo here. I love me some blues and grays together, and I'm glad I got to try one of the glitters out for you guys so you can see, most of them are pretty gray. It's just that they're a little bit sheerer, so if you want opacity, you're probably going to have to put a background color for it. So if you tried any of the original color cubes, I will tell you this formula is an exact dupe for that. It's right on par and just as great quality. Very easy to use, very user friendly. I think it's very beginner friendly as well, and really great for those of you who struggle with getting gel polish nice and pretty on your non-dominant hand or painting with your non-dominant hand. I think you're gonna have a much easier time with this type of formula. So I'm just finishing here with the top coat, which, like I said, the top coat is a little bit thicker than the base coat and just really kind of covers up any little sins you may have. So the affordability of this base and top coat, they come in a set, and depending on the price, I can usually get the set anywhere between $5 to $10, depending on what Amazon's running them at the time, which I think is such a good steal. So if you need an affordable gel base and top coat, I definitely recommend this one. So here is our finished blue-gray mani, and see, it's not all blue, like I put some silver in there. But I just love these colors together. I think they're beautiful for the colder months, and just really happy with how this turned out, and definitely the quality is on par with the other color cubes. So I think if you're interested in any of these, I definitely would recommend it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up here with the cuticle balm. So I'm going to be using today's Scales of a Mermaid and Kiss Me Under the Foliage, which is a lovely fall scent. It is limited edition. I'll have to check to see if it's still available. I'll leave a note for you, but as always, guys, you can use my code CARRY10 to save 10% off your Scales purchases. This was so much fun. I just love this mani. I love the product. I love the packaging. I love the trip down memory lane. It was all just so much fun for me. And like I said, these would make incredible Christmas gifts or birthday gifts for the price. And to get such a little variety and such a cute package, definitely can't recommend these enough. So that is going to complete this video, guys. So I hope you did enjoy it and find it helpful. If you did, it would help me out so much if you would give me a thumbs up down below. And while you're there, if you're not subscribed already, I hope you'll consider subscribing before you go. And don't forget that notification bell. We got new content coming every Tuesday and Friday at 2 p.m. Central. So as always, guys, I thank you so much for taking time every day to spend it with me. I appreciate it more than you know. You guys know I love you to pieces. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.